to fill a tank volume 30 meter cube in 15 minutes if the tank is 40 meter above the ground and the efficiency of the pump is 30%. How much electric power is consumed by the pump? Question is that a tank is placed on the top of the roof which is 40 meter height from the ground level. The volume of the tank is 30 meter cube which is filled by the water pump, and time taken to fill the tank is 15 minutes. The efficiency of pump is 30%. Now we have to find electric power consumed by the pump. First of all, in this question we see that only height and the volume of the pump, height of the tank is 40 meter is given, and the volume of the water which is filled by the pump is given 30 meter cube. We know that when any object is placed at the height from the ground level, it has equal to mgh, but m is here not known, but we know that the density of water is 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube and volume of water is given 30 meter cube. So we know that density equal to mass by volume, and mass equal to volume into density. So we will put the value of volume 30 meter cube and the density of water 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and after calculating mass of the water which is in the tank is found 3 into 10 to the power 4 kg. This is the mass of the water which is placed in the tank. G we usually take 9.8 meter per second square, but for easy calculation we have taken here G equal to 10 meter per second square and H equal to given 40 meter. Putting all these value in the equation, potential energy equal to mgh, we find the work done by the pump equal to mgh, which is 3 to the power 4 kg and 10 meter per second square into 40 meter, and after calculating this we get 12 into 10 to the power 6 kg. This is the work done by the pump. Now we know that power equal to work done upon time. So work done W is given 12 into 10 to the power 6 joule, and the time which is given 15 minutes and the unit of time is second. So we will convert this 15 minutes into seconds by multiplying 60 seconds and it comes 900 seconds. So output equal to W by T, P output equal to W by T, which is 12 into 10 to the power 6 joule divided by 900 seconds, which comes 4 by 3 into 10 to the power 4 joule per second, or it is also called watt. This is output. And now we know that efficiency of the engine is given by, or motor or pump is given by output upon input into 100%. In the question, efficiency of the pump is given 30%. So in the place of efficiency we write 30%, which is equal to P out upon P input into 100%. Solving this and putting the value of this, we find that input equal to 4 by 3 into 100 into 10 to the power 4 by 30, which comes 44.4 kilowatt. This is the answer, or this is the power of the motor or input power, or it is also called electric power consumed by the motor.